I'm so happy, y'all. I'm so happy. So let's see what's in this box. Yo, before we do that, let's get this energy right, okay? So let's take our vitamins, for sure. So if you know me, you know one thing for sure, 2 things for certain. I'm gonna take my vitamins, and I've been waiting for this package to do it with my content. So y'all make sure you click the link in the bio, get your vitamins. You know, let's get our health together as much as we're getting this content together. Don't play, okay? So we'll come back to this, and then you know, in here we have our energy. All these products, link is in my bio. We have our vitamins, and I take my hair, skin, and nails. So let's take it right away, and then we get into the product, okay? I'm so happy. Because I wanted to give you all good content. You know, I was thinking I was gonna show it with I was gonna shoot with that today, but my mind was really on it. So let's get this in, and then we'll come back to that. So thanks for joining me. See you tomorrow, and then we get right into the new item I just got, and I'm very excited about. For those of you asking, this is in the link in the bio. It's the Elite Package supplement. So what we got is this, and this is what I'm going to be using to bring you content from this day forward. So I'm currently using my Google Pixel. I just want to see what's in here. I love gadgets, you know, and the real me is a gadget lover, and I can invest everything in a gadget. Okay, so this is just the casing. Ooh, I'm excited. So this is a protective case. Okay, keep this here. Maybe it comes. It's supposed to come with all this. So we have one down. Let's tick it. I like to be sure we have what we have. So the handle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's going to come 12 items. So we've got one. Everybody.